In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign an admin role in the Google Workspace. This process will take about 5 minutes and I'll walk you through each step to ensure clarity and ease. To get started, you'll want to head over to Google Workspace by visiting the admin.google.com link in your browser. Once you're there, select the Google account you wish to use. You'll need to authenticate your selection by entering your password, a standard security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. After entering your password, click on the Next button to proceed. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find a square dot icon. This serves as a gateway to various applications and settings associated with your account. Click on this icon to navigate to the next step. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Admin Console. This selection grants you access to the core management features available in Google Workspace. Inside the admin console, locate and click on Accounts. This option will lead you to a variety of account settings, but for our purposes today, we need to focus on the admin roles option within the account section. By clicking on admin roles, you enter the area where roles and permissions are managed. Next, find and click on Assign Admin. This step is crucial as it allows you to begin the process of assigning specific admin privileges to particular users. Following this, click on Assign Members. This feature lets you search for the user profile to which you want to assign the admin role. Use the search function to find the right individual or group within your organization's user database. Once you have located the appropriate user, the final step involves clicking on the Assign Role button. This action officially assigns the selected admin role to the user, enabling them to perform tasks and access features according to the permissions that accompany the role. And there you have it, a clear and concise guide on how to assign an admin role in Google Workspace. Remember, assigning admin roles should be done with careful consideration as it grants significant control and access over your organization's workspace. Always ensure the individuals you assign these roles to are trustworthy and have a clear understanding of their responsibilities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a quick refresher on this process.